These are both phenomenal vacuum mops, same brand. And I started with this one, which is the iFLOOR 2, and then I upgraded to the iFLOOR 1 3. And I'm just gonna show you some of the differences with them. So the water tank is a little bit bigger on this one. And then also the tank that holds your dirty water is bigger on that one. So that is a benefit. You don't have to change the water as much or the dirty tank as much, especially if you have a lot of floors you're doing. As far as like the bottom part, it's very, very similar. Everything's pretty much the same there. This one's just more basic. It's an on, off, and a spot. Whereas this one, when you turn it on, it actually talks to you. And it will tell you when you need to refill things. It will tell you if you want to run a self-cleaning mode on it. So it's
cycle stop. Please clean dirty water tank.
And you just have a lot more information on the screen, whereas that one doesn't have a screen. But overall, they're both phenomenal.